Welcome to our instructional video on solving single or double inequalities. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to solve the inequality 1 cor 5n minus 2 minus 11. Make sure to follow along and take notes as we work through the problem together. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 1 is less than or equal to 5n minus 2, which is less than 11, we will perform operations to isolate the variable n in the middle part of the inequality. This inequality contains two parts joined by a middle section, and we will need to work on both parts simultaneously. The goal is to get n by itself in the center. Start by looking at the inequality one part at a time. 1 is less than or equal to 5n minus 2. This will be the first part. The other part is 5n minus 2 is less than 11. The first step in isolating n is to eliminate the minus 2 in the middle term. To do this, we will add 2 to each part of the inequality. Remember, when solving inequalities, whatever operation you do to one part, you must do to the other parts as well to maintain the balance. Adding 2 to 1 gives 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 now becomes the new value for the first part. Adding 2 to 5n minus 2 cancels out the minus 2, leaving us with just 5n in the middle. Adding 2 to 11 gives 11 plus 2 is 13. So 13 now becomes the new value for the last part. Now our new inequality is 3 is less than or equal to 5n, which is less than 13. In this first step, we altered the expression by adding 2 to every part of the inequality. This step ensures that we eliminate the constant term minus 2 next to the variable 5n. This alteration keeps the inequality balanced, and we are one step closer to isolating n. This concludes step 1 of solving the inequality. The next step will involve further isolating n, but for now we have 3 is less than or equal to 5n, which is less than 13. Next, we need to continue isolating n. Our current inequality reads 3 is less than or equal to 5n, which is less than 13. To isolate n, we will focus on the term 5n. Right now, n is being multiplied by 5. To get n by itself, we need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. We will divide each part of the inequality by 5. This means we will divide 3 by 5, 5n by 5, and 13 by 5. First, we divide 3 by 5. 3 divided by 5 is expressed as the fraction, 3 over 5. Next, we divide 5n by 5. When 5n is divided by 5, the 5's cancel out, leaving us with just n. Lastly, we divide 13 by 5. 13 divided by 5 is expressed as the fraction 13 over 5. Now our new inequality reads 3 over 5 is less than or equal to n, which is less than 13 over 5. This step effectively isolates n, making it clear where n belongs within the range of 3 over 5 to 13 over 5. To summarize, our final inequality is 3 over 5 is less than or equal to n, which is less than 13 over 5. In inequality notation, it is 3 over 5 less than or equal to n less than 13 over 5. And in interval notation, it is closed interval 3 over 5 to 13 over 5 open interval. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.